Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by having the Gmail icon file ready. A PNG with transparency is best. Once done, open Microsoft Word and the document you will edit. Make sure the Insert tab is visible so you don't waste time navigating menus. Place the cursor where the symbol should appear, or select the object that will align with the icon. These first steps put you in position to import the image cleanly and control size and placement immediately. You now insert the Gmail picture via Insert Pictures this device, selecting the PNG file. After it appears, right-click and choose Wrap Text in front of text or tight so you can move it freely without disturbing text flow. Resize the icon using corner handles and hold Shift to keep correct proportions. Use the Picture Format tab to set exact height or width if needed. Make sure to align with nearby text using alignment guides or finish by anchoring and fine-tuning. Right-click the icon, more layout options, and lock anchor so it stays put when editing. Once positioned, use Align tools for pixel-perfect placement and group with nearby elements if needed. If you must move the icon between documents, cut and paste Special as a PNG to preserve transparency. If the icon appears blurry, replace it with a higher resolution PNG or ensure Word's picture compression is off. That troubleshooting step resolves most quality issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.